Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on your Kik account. So if you've been using a certain name as your display name but now want to change it to something else, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Kik app on your mobile device and that you're already logged into your account. If you're already logged into your account, when you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this that will show you all of your chats. There on the top left corner, you can see a settings option. Tap on the settings option and there select your account. As you select your account, you can see that your username is displayed, email and your name is displayed. Now, because you want to change your display name, tap on name. And as you tap your name, you can change your name. And then tap on save on the top right corner. After you do this, it will say that your name has been updated. And now what you can do is when you go back, you'll be able to see that your display name has been changed. So this is basically how you can change your display name on your Kik account. It's a very simple process and I hope that this video guided you through how you can do it. If you liked the video, do not forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up, do share and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.